Hey YouTube, it's TheRealJDoll here on TheRealJDoll's channel. If you're a new viewer, welcome. I upload videos every Monday, and if you're a returning subscriber, baby, how you doing? Welcome back. So guess what, y'all? We are hosting brunch tomorrow. Now, I've done brunch a couple times and I feel like I've got it down packed, so I wanted to show you guys how to brunch. Now, this is no regular schmegular brunch, okay? This is gonna be the brunch that people are asking you to run back again next year. Trust me, the proof is in the pudding. I'm hosting brunch tomorrow with my friends for UC's homecoming this weekend. I didn't go to school there, but me and my friends love to get together, have a good time. So I'm like, why not? So let's do it. We've got a lot of things to do. So let's go ahead and get right into the video. Okay, y'all, step number one. Now this is how you really like get people excited, get hyped up. Like this is where the vibes start. You need to start with a good flyer. Now, I'm gonna show you guys my flyer here on the screen. I actually made this flyer on Canva. Canva's free, it doesn't take any time. They have plenty of templates that you can select from, alter a little bit, and then push out to your friends. So trust me, this flyer right here, it may look complex, but it literally took me 5 minutes to put together and send out. Here's the original template for reference, so you can see I did not make that many tweaks to it. Having a flyer just makes things look a little more polished. It gets people amped up, especially have a good looking flyer. Like people are gonna be like, wow, what am I getting myself into? Like I'm telling y'all, the flyer is where you have to start. So literally canva.com, not that hard. I have it here on the screen. And this is not a sponsored video in any sort, in any kind of way. So all of this is like real reviews. Like I'm telling you guys, legit tricks out the sleeve. Step 2, it's time to clean. You have to straighten up your house. Like, come on, you cannot host brunch in a dirty house, okay? But we're not gonna be deep cleaning because you wanna deep clean after your guests have been here. Trust me, some crazy things go on when you host stuff. There are messes created, people spill stuff, like just everything. Everybody's been in your personal space, so you gotta deep clean after. So what we're gonna do is surface clean first. So I'm going to go ahead and do things like cleaning the mirrors in the bathroom. Like that's an easy indicator that your house is clean. One of the first things you do when you go in the bathroom is you look in the mirror and look at yourself. And if you see spots all on the mirror, come on. Like, So we're going to clean the mirror in the bathroom. We're gonna like wipe the surfaces in the bathroom. We're gonna straighten up, pick stuff up. So I'm gonna do that right now. There will be like a slight voiceover over a couple things so I can let you guys know, but step 2, surface clean, not deep clean.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is never thin. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Baby, more. I don't know why you love me.
Okay, so we've cleaned all the common areas around the house. Now it's time to really set the mood. I honestly like having a good smelling house, hence why I use the Febreze fabric refresher on the couch. But now I'm going to use the plugs around the house. I feel like these plugs work really, really good. So I got a pack of 3. I think I only have 2. Yeah, I only have 2 plug-ins, but I'm gonna use this. It is the Berry and Brable scent. out and replace the plugs. We spilled the spray in store and it smells so good. This is the first time I've had berry in my house. Usually I get like the Hawaiian flavor. If you use the Febreze plugins, or even if you use Febreze period, what's your favorite scent? I'm a Hawaiian galley for sure. I like the fresh like cotton scent. I forgot what the name of it, but it's like, you know, white, has some linens on it. I like that one. And then I may be a berry gal after this one too. So put that one in, and then I have another one by the front door. And tomorrow is gonna smell like a lot of food anyways, but once the food smells die down, these Unstoppables are so good to where like they're gonna overtake the food smell. Like, we'll see tomorrow for real, but it's gonna smell like good food or berry blast. Next. Okay, so I'm not sure if I already mentioned this earlier in the video or not, but I've already deep cleaned my house not too long ago. So the kitchen area, it's not really dirty because after the dishes are washed, usually wipe the sink or wipe the counter, sweep. So I'm not really gonna do too much cleaning in here. Really, I'm not gonna clean at all in here actually, other than doing the dishes. But we're about to cook, prep, you know, so the kitchen really doesn't need to be the cleanest of clean. Now, if you're dirty, clean your kitchen, then start cooking, okay? But let's go over the menu. I found this inspo pic off of maybe TikTok. Let's see. Yep, this was off TikTok when I was getting my brunch ideas together. And here's the picture. Let's see if it'll focus. So they have biscuits, eggs, sausage, some kind of like crab cakes maybe, I'm guessing, chicken, mimosas, cinnamon rolls, bacon, shrimp and grits, and then what's back there? I can't tell what's back there. It looks like another shrimp and grits or some kind of something covered with cheese. I don't know. Maybe it's just cheese grit. But this was my inspo for the menu. So let me tell you guys the official menu, because we don't have them crepes. We don't have those cakes. On the menu, we've got shrimp and grits, maybe oatmeal, Hawaiian French toast, seen that on TikTok, waffles, biscuits, cinnamon rolls, cheese, eggs, sausage, bacon, and then my friend is bringing potato and onions. And of course, the mimosas, the drinks, you know? That's pretty much all. I feel like it's something else on the menu, but I think that's everything. So when shopping a few times, actually, like we did a couple rounds to get everything for brunch, but we can go ahead and do a quick brunch haul, food haul, so I can show you guys exactly what I got food wise. We got the cheese, we got the meats, we got the fruit, we got the juices, we got everything. But alongside that, of course, you need serving utensils, displays, like all that. And this is how you get like the elevated before a budget thing. So come on, let me show you. Menu setup. So I guess we can call it step 4. It's smelling like berries already, y'all. First, I'm gonna start with Ross. I got a couple things from there. You can find a lot more stuff there. Like, look at this picture. They have like wood little plates that you could put stuff on cutely. They have different glasses. Like, there's a lot of stuff you can do with Ross, but we weren't going too hard because this was the second annual brunch, you know, you gotta ease your way into it. But trust me, you can get some good stuff from there. So the first thing from Ross was this display. Isn't it so cute? This was actually on clearance at Ross for $13.99, so basically $14. That's a steal. I also got this picture from Ross a while ago actually, and this only cost maybe like $5 or $7, I think. But this is a nice way you can put punch in here. This is another way that you can like ration out the drink portions at a party. You can decide how much mimosa, how much, you know, whatever goes into here, and then how much juice you know you want to have. So this is a good option, y'all, if you need to make yourself stretch. Or you can just put a cute little punch in here and let that be that. Whatever you want to do. The last thing that I got from Ross were these 2 bowls. I got 2 like display bowls. They were $7.99 a piece, basically $8. This is where like the shrimp and grits will go, the eggs. This is the bowl for that. It really does smell like berries in here. I cannot cap, like it smells like berries for real. But saying that, next stop on my list of places to go was the Dollar Tree. You can get a lot of cute stuff there that looks nice for $1.25, because y'all know it's not $1 anymore. So first up were these plates. I got 2 of them. This can be for like breads or meats probably. So like I could put the waffles, the cinnamon rolls, biscuits, you know, however you want to do it. I only have about 20 people coming. And when I went to Walmart, they were charging like almost $10 for a big pack of utensils. I went to Dollar Tree and they had a pack of 48 cutlery, and it's clear see-through, so that's kind of matching the theme of the plates that I just showed you. The cups that I got, so I got a few packs of these. These are 10 pieces, and then I also got a 24 cup pack of, you know the deal. They had a lot of stuff, but this was really nice. It's a Tupperware container. I think would be good just to hold like the mixed fruits. And it kind of looks like that glass, but it's really not glass, it's plastic. It has a lid as well, so I thought that would be perfect. Then of course I got spoons. I got like the punch spoon. This is actually gonna be for the grits because these spoons actually have holes in them and I didn't feel like going and looking for too much. So eggs, grit spoon. And lastly, brunch is a brunch without a theme. So I got some of these like red table toppers. I got a white like table cover. And I got these napkins that match UC school colors. So that's pretty much like a gist of everything that I got for the brunch. I think that's a good solid amount of things. So I'm gonna straighten up in here a little bit, clear out some space. Like we're gonna move the air fryer up above all these cabinets, because look, I have all this empty space up there and I have not figured out how to decorate it. So I'm gonna move the air fryer up there, the toaster up there, just clear out space. So that way all this space in here is free for food to go on, minimizes damages to anything. Like, I'm just gonna clear out some space, okay? It's all up there. I actually don't like it up there because then that brings your eye up there now that there's stuff up there. Before, like, you didn't think about it, but now it's up there. Next for me is doing this table in here. Pro tip. I know I just got cut off in there because my battery died, but I'm back with a pro tip. When you're hosting a party, people are gonna be coming to you for everything because this is your house. Jalen, there's no more toilet paper downstairs. Jalen, we're out of paper towel. Jalen, there's no more, you know, so you wanna make sure everything that your guests are probably gonna use is plentiful. Meaning, if you only have a little bit of soap in the bathroom, put another full-size soap in there or add some more soap. If your salt container is looking like this, baby, it's time to refill. Some people could get crazy with this sauce. So just make it a little easier on yourself. And with that being said, now I think it's safe to get into some of the fruit prep. So that means washing off your fruit, slicing and dicing anything you need to the night before. If you have like shrimp, peel the tails off the shrimp. I hate when people leave the tail on the shrimp because baby, who eats the tail? So take it off for me. Make any batters, mix anything up that you need to now. So now it's time for that. And honestly, y'all, after you've done those few things, it's pretty simple after that. So the next clip that you see will be me the morning of, tomorrow morning, actually starting to make the brunch. Full brunch mode. We're gonna be in the kitchen, whipping, doing everything. We have to
Productions. Get blazing beats from top producers at rockmetal.com. Seal your beats with no commission taken at rockmetal.com. Battle your beats against the top producers across the globe at rockmetal.com. Seal your beats to thousands of beat market only at rockmetal.com. Upload and sell beats in your profile at rockmetal.com. rockbattle.com. Battle your beats against top producers across the globe at rockbattle.com.